You don't have to be a genius to be excellent. You don't need talent to be legendary, and you don't need permission to be exceptional. In fact, most people who become world-class in anything didn't start with skill. They started with intention, discipline, and a relentless hunger to do something. Well, and today, right now, I'm going to show you how you can master anything, become extraordinary at what you do, even if you're starting at zero. This isn't fluff. This isn't theory. This is war-tested truth that separates the great from the ones who stay average forever. Obsession beats talent. Every time you want to get good at something, don't wait to feel confident. Don't wait to get the perfect tools. Just get obsessed. Just get obsessed. When you eat, sleep, breathe the thing you love, you'll start learning 10 keys faster than the average person. Your obsession will teach you things no school, no coach, no book ever could. It's not about talent. It's about tunnel vision. Obsession turns amateurs into animals. Animals don't compete. They dominate. Do the boring stuff better than anyone else. Everybody loves the highlight reel. But the people who win in life, they're masters of boring repetition. They show up on the days it's raining, on the days they're tired, on the days they're tired, on the days nobody's watching. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to roll it further than anyone else was willing to push. Discipline isn't sexy, but it makes you dangerous. Don't just practice. Practice with feedback. Practicing blindly is useless. You can do the same thing 1,000 times and still suck. But if you practice, get feedback, adjust, then practice again, you improve exponentially. The pros aren't perfect. They just correct faster than everybody else. Be okay with sucking, but never okay with stopping. Every master was once a disaster. But most people quit because they feel dumb in the beginning. You need to fight that urge because it's a trap. The moment you give yourself permission to suck is the moment you begin to grow beyond anything you thought was possible. Let the world laugh at your day one, but make sure they fear you by day 1,000. Protect your craft like it's sacred. Your time, your energy, your practice, that's your temple. Don't let laziness in. Don't let excuses in. Don't let people who aren't building anything criticize what you're trying to build. Mastery demands respect, and the first person who needs to give it is you. The final wake-up call. Listen, the world isn't run by the smartest people. It's run by the ones who refuse to quit, who train while others rest, who study while others scroll, and who execute while others wait for the perfect moment. You don't have to be gifted. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be committed. Because the truth is, if you show up every day like you're meant to be world class, eventually the world starts to believe it too. So stop waiting. Pick your craft, honor the process, and go become undeniable.